Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, my name is Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So here I am to create this makeup look, especially the eye look. This is the third time I'm trying eyeshadows on myself or on anybody else, and I'm quite impressed. So I have cleaned my face really well. I applied a face toner and I have applied a face moisturizer after that to create a strong base on my face. So yes, the face toner and the moisturizer are from Good Vibes and they really work great on your skin. So yes guys, I'm done with the moisturizer. I have applied it on my neck as well. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a primer from Blue Heaven. It's a very economical product, I could say, but the best product. So yes, here I am applying the primer so that it would close out my pores and it would form a perfect base for my makeup. So this is a silicone based primer and it's perfect for any skin and really plays a good role for the makeup base. So as you can see, I have done applying the primer. The next the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a foundation. I'm shaking it really well, and now I'm going to take 2 to 3 pumps of the foundation. This foundation is from Stay Quirky and is priced at just $149, which is a great offer for any product. And this gives medium coverage, you could say, sheer to medium coverage. I have to apply twice so that it gives me the complete coverage. But yes, for this price, this is the best you could get. I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face and then I'm dabbing it with the beauty blender. Guys, never wipe off the foundation on the face because it just goes off with the blender. This is a damp beauty blender I'm using. It's not a dried one. And this is the second layer of foundation that I'm applying. For this foundation, it is advised you don't use a brush because it's not so thick. The consistency is a bit lighter, so it might just get wiped off. So here I am using the second layer of the foundation has been applied using the beauty blender, and yes, this is a very nice beauty blender. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do after the foundation is my concealer. So I'm just making sure the foundation is applied neatly all over my face. Guys, I've speeded up the process so that you don't get bored with this video. It's going to be a quite long video. So here I have the concealer. This is from a local store. It's not an branded one, so I don't know if it's available online, but it's just for 150 rupees and I don't have dark circles or much of pigmentation, so I trust this concealer and it does its job very well. I'm just covering the extra pimple marks on my face so that it won't appear much strong on my makeup. So I'm blending it well again with the beauty blender so that everything is covered up, and as you can see, it has blended really well. The next product I'm going to use is the compact because to set my foundation, and this compact is from Faces Canada. It's priced at $199, but it is always available on discount. So I got it just for 149 rupees and it's amazing. I just love this compact. I'm thinking of restocking it again. Let's see. So yes, I'm not forgetting. Guys, just observe, I have not forgotten my neck for any part of the makeup, because covering your neck is a very important thing. Otherwise, your face will look of one color and your neck will be of another color. So yes guys, I'm done with the compact as well. So what next? We are going to do the eyebrows. So I'm using this eyebrow pencil from a local store. Guys, here I just forgot one thing, that I had to use a brush to wipe off that extra compact and foundation on the eyebrows, because wiping off your eyebrows with a brush clears it all and it makes it easier for you to apply the eyebrow pencil. I don't know, I just forgot it in this video. I had the brush right there, but I just forgot it. But anyways, it did turn out to be really good, not a problem. Actually, the compact and the foundation just came off along with the brush, the excess one. Not the brush, I'm sorry, with the pencil. So yes guys, here I'm applying the eyebrows and I'm making sure both the eyebrows look the same, because we all have two eyebrows, two eyes, two eyelashes. So whatever you're doing on the eyes has to come off perfect. That's the challenge in makeup. So yes, here I am applying my favorite eyeshadow and hope it turns out to be good. And to apply the eyeshadow, I'm using the Naked makeup brushes from Amazon. So yes, and the eyeshadow palette is from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Hollywood. It has many colors to play with. I just enjoy using this eyeshadow palette. But well, when I bought it, I thought it's the matte colors, but the only thing is it was all the shimmery shades. But anyways, it was still okay for me. Here I'm using the aqua color, you could say, that matches my dress, and I'm blending it really well throughout my eyes so that it gives that equal and nice finish. So yes, I'm done with the aqua shade and I just fell in love with the eyeshadow, guys. And now I have taken a brown color to match that aqua color and I'm blending it from outside towards the inner corner. And yes, it's done. Now I have taken a bronze color to in between so that it could add that extra shimmer and beauty to my eyes. But when I took the bronze color, I like to blend it with my fingers, you know. Your fingers are the best blenders. I don't know, I just enjoy blending my eyeshadows, my highlighters, everything with my finger rather than the brushes, because I feel they are perfect in blending the makeup. So yes, here I was doing the other eyes. And guys, trust me, this is a bit longer. The whole makeup was quick, only the eyeshadow part took some time because I was just trying to make it look the perfect without any issues. So yes, there it is. And the pigmentation was just so wow, guys. It's so good. You know, the Swiss Beauty is not at all an expensive brand, but when it comes to eyeshadows, but their pigmentation is amazing. They are the best, I should tell you. And here I tried to contour with the same eyeshadow from one of the colors from the same eyeshadow palette. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the same aqua color to the close to my lower waterline so that it looks very nice. And it did turn out to be very nice. I like the color, I like the look, I like the way it feels. It's all amazing. So yes guys, here I'm doing my lower eye waterline with the same aqua color, and it was amazing. Like I told you, I may have told a lot of time, but I just loved it. In camera it doesn't show up so much, but trust me, in real it was very good. I was impressed with my work today for it to be the third time that I was trying the eye makeup, and it turned out to be really great. So now that I'm done with the eye makeup, the next thing I'm going to do is use the contour. I'm going to do the contouring using the Stay Quirky mini contouring stick. So yes, I had applied it on my nose. I tried to blend it with the finger, but then it's a mini stick, so it was just taking so much of time. So I thought, let me just use the stick directly, and then I blended it with my hand, and I got what I desired. The next product here I would be using and searching for is my blush. And finally treasure hunt over, and the blush is with me. This is a Blue Heaven blush guys, very pigmented. So I had to be a bit careful because too much blush doesn't look good. It has to be the right amount. And here I am done applying the blush, just the right quantity, so that it is not even too much, it's not even too less. So yes, I'm pretty impressed with the makeup. The next part, not the final part, is my highlighter. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and I'm just applying enough on the right high end points of my face, like my forehead, nose tip, cupid bow, and my eyebrow bones and my chin, so that they just look good. And this is the best highlighter I have ever come across, in the economical range as well. It's just the right quantity of shimmer you will require, and the right amount of blending, and everything is amazing. So yes, I have applied enough on the eyebrows as well, so that my eyebrows look really defined. The next product I'm using here is the kajal. This is my favorite kajal from L18. I have reviewed this product. You can find the review in the description box. And using this kajal, I am using it both on the lower as well as the upper waterline, so that my eyes looks big enough. So guys, whenever with the makeup, just make sure you're covering your neck, and with the kajal, make sure you're covering both your lower as well as the upper waterline, because it makes you look perfect. So I just applied the eyeliner as well, and I didn't apply too dramatic, so because I felt that might just cover up the eyeshadow, so it's just enough. And the final part of the makeup is my lipstick. This lipstick is a bullet lipstick that I have from Faces Canada. The packaging is amazing. When I ordered it, actually I ordered it thinking that it's a bold red color. Nonetheless, I like the color. It's a lighter shade of red, but just the perfect shade for daily use. I like the color. The final part I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tissue and just put it across on my lipstick, so that the lipstick stays for a longer time. And now the final part is the makeup fixer. This is from Blue Heaven, and I just applied, and I just waited it for to dry. And I'm doing the final part. I'm going to apply a bindi, a blue color one that would match my dress, and a earring. This earring I purchased while I was street shopping in Bangalore, and this cost just 80 rupees guys, and this is my favorite earring. Look at the design, it's amazing. I just love it. And the final touch up is with my hair, which is not at all good. Yes, here I come, fully ready, completely ready. The girl is all set, and look at me, I'm going to enjoy the look, as well as you will see a child in me now who is going to just play with her hair. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Take care.